Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review 20 smart Amazon kitchen gadgets 2025 you'll wish you found earlier that make cooking faster, easier, and smarter. We pick only high-quality and high-rated Amazon gadgets to help you save time and money. Backhand index pointing right if you enjoy product reviews and Amazon finds. Make sure to subscribe for more. So let's start. Stainless steel measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 1 cup, 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs on cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon made of premium food-grade stainless steel, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. Stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cup set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon have engraved clearly the size mark. No more guess in kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluk offer 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. Eggshell opener. Say goodbye to messy cracking. Introducing our innovative eggshell opener for hard-boiled eggs, designed to make cracking hard-boiled and raw eggs a breeze. Just press the button for a clean, quick cut. No more knives or hammering required. This essential tool is among the top kitchen gadgets for 2024. Take it anywhere. Lightweight and portable, this egg cracker is your ideal kitchen aid for outdoor adventures. Easily pack it in your luggage or backpack for hassle-free egg cracking at home, in a hotel, or while camping. Pair it with our egg peeler tool for hard-boiled eggs for the ultimate kitchen and dining experience. Upgrade your kitchen. Transform your cooking routine with this essential kitchen tool that simplifies egg preparation, making it a must-have for every home chef. Whether you're using our eggshell opener, egg cracking tool, or hard-boiled egg peeler, elevate your kitchen experience today. Toaster. Multifunctional toaster. Kickstart your mornings with fresh toast or perfectly warmed bagels with the Mueller Ultra Crisp 4-slice toaster. Features cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, self-centering slot guides, and intelligent heating technology to deliver even toasting every time. Full control. 6 browning settings let you take control of your toasting level so you can enjoy your toast exactly how you like it. Memory recall keeps your settings saved, but with sleek touch buttons and LED display, it's just as easy to switch between settings. Effortless cleaning. Toasters naturally gather crumbs, but with our removable crumb tray, maintenance is a breeze. The convenient underbase cord storage keeps your toaster compact and your countertop tidy. Crafted with premium components, this brushed stainless steel toaster is a guaranteed asset to your kitchen and a must-have for any apartment essentials list. Kitchen Gizmo Snap End Strain. Make draining pasta and veggies easier than ever with the Kitchen Gizmo Snap End Strain. This innovative silicone strainer clips directly onto your pots and pans, letting you drain water safely and efficiently without extra colanders. Heat-resistant and durable, it handles hot noodles, vegetables, and more without warping. Its compact, space-saving design keeps your kitchen organized and clutter-free, while the gray silicone adds a modern touch to your cookware. Perfect for everyday cooking, this gadget makes meal prep faster, safer, and cleaner. Upgrade your kitchen with the Snap End Strain, the smart, convenient strainer every home chef needs. Air Fryer Muffin Pan. Upgrade your baking game with the 2-packs premium steel muffin pan, the perfect choice for muffins, cupcakes, or brownies. Made from durable, non-stick premium steel, these 6 cup-round baking trays deliver even heat for perfect golden results every time. Whether you're baking breakfast treats, party cupcakes, or mini desserts, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the smooth non-stick coating. With 2 pans included, you can bake more in less time, ideal for home bakers or gift giving. Bring professional quality baking to your kitchen with these black premium muffin pans, your new go-to baking essential. Kitchen Cutting Board. Ultra durable and built to last. Unlike wood or bamboo, these thick, non-porous boards are incredibly durable. Won't splinter, crack, or peel, even after many washes. No oiling or maintenance necessary. Deep juice grooves help capture runoff liquid from messy ingredients. Rubber border helps provide a secure grip on countertops, food grade and a great choice for all homes. Stays in place during prep. Make food prep easier than ever with the most durable cutting board. Its slip-resistant handle and rubber border help to reduce slipping and sliding on countertop surfaces. BPA-free and food grade. Each board is tested to comply with U.S. regulations, food grade and food safe. Wash in the dishwasher time after time, and boards will not break down. Deep fryer pot. Meet the Presto Fry Daddy electric deep fryer. Your shortcut to crispy, golden perfection every time. This sleek black fryer heats up fast and maintains the ideal frying temperature automatically, so there's no guesswork, no mess. Fry delicious fries, chicken, shrimp, or donuts with just 4 cups of oil, saving you time and money. Its non-stick interior makes cleanup effortless, while the compact design fits any kitchen space beautifully. Simple, efficient, and stylish, the Presto Fry Daddy makes frying fun and deliciously easy. Kitchen dishwashing gloves. Protect your hands while cleaning with rubber kitchen dishwashing gloves. Made from high-quality, waterproof, and durable rubber, these gloves keep your hands safe from hot water, harsh detergents, and grease. The non-slip textured surface ensures a strong grip on dishes, pans, and glassware, while the soft inner lining provides comfort during long cleaning sessions. Perfect for dishwashing, kitchen cleaning, bathroom scrubbing, and even household chores, these reusable gloves are an essential tool for a hygienic and hassle-free cleaning experience. Air Fry. Air Crisp technology. 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air surrounds food for hot, crispy results with little to no oil. Large capacity. The 5QD non-stick basket and crisper plate fit up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. 4-in-1 functionality. Air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Guilt-free fried foods. Up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Frozen TO crispy. Cook frozen foods in just minutes for an extra crispy finish. Space saver. Ninja's latest air fryer design allows you to save even more space on your countertop without compromising capacity. Easy TO clean. The basket and crisper plate are both non-stick for easy cleaning. What's included? Air fryer, 5QD non-stick basket and crisper plate, chef-inspired 20-recipe book and cooking charts. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Note, packaging may vary. Easy TO clean and store. The durable convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, included, with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Lemon Zester cheese grater. Comfortable to use, built to last heavy. Checkmark. The hand grater has a razor-sharp stainless steel blade that won't rust and a comfortable, non-slip handle. Its unique curved sides make it extremely rigid and allow you to apply more force when it's needed. Save space in the kitchen and drawer. Heavy. Checkmark. Replace your bulky, unsafe, and hard-to-clean box grater. Cheese grater electric. Cheese grater with container or heavy electric food processor with a single dice. Classic Zester grater food shredder. The metal Parmesan cheese grater teeth won't clog up the way other graters for kitchen do, so it's a snap to clean. Just pass your cheese grater under running water. Improve your cooking. Heavy. Checkmark. Amaze your friends with new, restaurant-like recipes. Add strong new flavors with fresh lemon zest without any bitter pith taste. When using the Chef Zester with hard cheeses such as Parmesan, you'll get a nice pile of grated cheese that melts almost instantly on hot pasta. Lid Gap Cleaning Brush Set. Easily clean hard-to-reach spots with the Lid Gap Cleaning Brush Set. Designed with slim, durable bristles, this brush set removes dirt, grease, and crumbs from narrow gaps like pot lids, bottle caps, sink edges, and kitchen corners. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the compact design makes it easy to store and use anytime. Perfect for tackling tricky areas in your kitchen, bathroom, or household appliances, this versatile brush set is a must-have cleaning tool for a spotless home. Knife Sharpener Kit. Precision sharpness, lasting edge. Professional chefs invest in high-quality knife sharpener. Protect your tools with the YOHO Rolling Knife Sharpener. Its intuitive design restores razor-sharp edges in seconds, maintaining peak performance for extended use. Perfect for home cooks and experts alike, achieve professional-level precision effortlessly. Diamond Ceramic Dual Discs. The YOHO Rolling Knife Sharpener Kit combines number 400 diamond grit, industrial-grade abrasives, and number 1000 ceramic disc for precision sharpening. How to use a knife sharpening kit. First, grind away dull edges with diamond, then polish with ceramic, achieving razor-sharp results in minutes. 15-degree 20-degree magnetic support. The YOHO Rolling Knife Sharpener ensures consistent grinding angles, vital for precision. Knife sharpeners features dual-angle modes, 20 degrees ideal for daily kitchen knives, 15 degrees for ultra-sharp edges or fine cuts. Adapting to diverse needs, excludes serrated blades/scissors. Electric Pressure Cooker. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Perfect size. Cook for up to 3 people. Perfect for smaller families or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Egg Flipper Spatula Tongs. Cooking versatile 2-in-1 design. Revolutionize your cooking experience with ease as you effortlessly egg flipper spatula tong and securely grip your foods. This innovative culinary tool is expertly designed to handle a variety of kitchen tasks with precision and versatility. Red Circle Black Circle set of 2 in black and red. Elevate your kitchen style with this sleek set of 2 egg flipper spatulas featuring classic black and vibrant red colors. Whether you're aiming for a modern or traditional aesthetic, these spatulas complement any kitchen decor while adding a pop of color and functionality. Pancakes multi-purpose use. The egg flipper spatula excels at handling omelets, pancakes, steak, meat, fish, eggs, and beyond. This versatile kitchen tool is adept at turning, rotating, and frying, offering unparalleled convenience. Whether for home cooking, restaurant service, hotel kitchens, buffet setups, parties, and beyond, it's the ideal companion for all culinary endeavors. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. One-handed smart operation with precision grinding. Experience effortless seasoning mill with the one-key switch, gravity sensor, and LED light trio. This intuitive design allows one-handed operation over grinding intensity and quantity, perfect for busy cooking scenarios. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. Rechargeable battery plus quiet motor. The rechargeable salt and pepper grinder set powered by dual 650 mAh Type-C rechargeable batteries. 1+ hour runtime. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. The 800 RPM plus or minus 10% motor delivers fast grinding while maintaining 65 dB noise at 0.5 m distance. Ideal for quiet kitchen environments. Safe, hygienic kitchen essential. Featuring an upgraded anti-collision base, this grinder prevents accidental damage and eliminates short-circuit risks in constantly charging bases, while reducing power consumption for energy efficiency. Crafted with food-grade 304 stainless steel and BPA-free ABS for safe food. Smart Food Warming Tray. Host like a pro. Our advanced heat circulation eliminates cold spots, ensuring every bite stays warm, whether it's grandma's casserole at Thanksgiving or tapas for your international potluck. No more frantic reheating, just relaxed hosting. Set it, forget it. Precision temperature, 104 to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 to 12-hour timer let you focus on guests, not gadgets. Child lock ensures toddlers can't mess up your settings. perfect for chaotic family gatherings. Gentle on countertops, tough on cold meals. Raised base pillars prevent surface damage while heating 30% faster. Safely warm ceramic dishes, metal trays, or holiday platters. No more lukewarm mashed potatoes. Countertop corner bread box. Bring timeless charm and practicality to your kitchen with the black corner bread box, a stunning blend of modern style and farmhouse warmth. Crafted from premium bamboo wood, this large storage box keeps your bread, pastries, and snacks fresh longer. Its unique corner design saves space, while the clear window lets you see what's inside at a glance. Durable, elegant, and spacious. The black corner bread box is the perfect centerpiece for any countertop, adding beauty and organization to your kitchen every day. Digital meat thermometer. 2.0 inches large auto-rotating backlit display. Candy Thermometer has a 180 degrees auto-rotating backlit display, making this kitchen thermometer perfect for left-hand users and allows you to use it in low light conditions. Motion sensing sleep-wake. Directly turns on and off by the probe opens or closes. Instantly wakes when picked up the digital food thermometer and sleeps when set down to save battery power. Up to 3,000 hours with included 3A battery. IP65 waterproof convenient storage. Quickly clean the meat thermometers for grilling with probe under running water. Features a magnetic back to allow for placement on any metal surface or use the hang hole for hooks. 3 to 4 seconds ultra-fast response time with highly accurate to plus or minus 0.9. Instant read meat thermometer features 4.3 inches food-grade stainless steel probe. Suitable for measure any type of food temp with the cooking thermometer. Olive oil sprayer. Looking for a smarter way to use oil in your kitchen? Meet the TrendPlane 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer, your new 2-in-1 kitchen essential. This sleek and durable sprayer lets you easily control how much oil you use, whether you're cooking in the air fryer, grilling barbecue, or dressing up a salad. Made from premium glass with a modern black finish, it's stylish, eco-friendly, and built to last. The fine mist design gives you perfect coverage every time, no more mess or waste. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, or even soy sauce, this TrendPlane sprayer brings precision and flavor to every meal. Upgrade your cooking today with the TrendPlane 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer, the perfect addition to any modern kitchen.